If you spend a lot of time outdoors in the winter, then you will love these electric hand warmers. These are rechargeable. OCOOPA sent me these so that I could give you my opinion on it and show you how they work. Now check this out. So here are the hand warmers right here. They fit nicely in the palm of your hand. They get nice and warm. I couldn't believe how warm they got, but not hot enough to burn your skin. But boy, will they make a difference in the cold winter months, especially if you work outdoors or if you like outdoor sports like snowboarding or skiing. These would really come in handy. These would even be nice if you're outside shoveling and you needed to just stick something in your pocket and keep your hands warm. This would be great. You get a set of 2, one for each hand. Each one also has a wrist strap if you wanted to attach it. And then here is your charging cord. You can charge them both at once. And then you also get a little carrying case, which is nice to stick in your purse. These would be great to keep in your glove box as well. So these are super easy to turn on. You just hold that down and it turns on, and there's 3 different levels. And you just click the button to scroll through the different levels of heat that you like. And as soon as you turn it on, it already starts to get warm. I really think these are great. I'm going to let my husband use these when he works outside. I know they'll come in handy, and I think you'll like them just as well.